Hello, in this video I will show you how to set the date and time on a Citizen Eco Drive radio controlled with Caliber H800 and H804, including the Blue Angel and Red Arrow collection. Pull the crown to position 1 and turn the crown to face the chronograph second hand to your current city or time zone. Leave a comment below if you don't know which one to choose and I will guide you. Press and hold the upper right button for 3 seconds. The chronograph second hand will face vertically downwards. Pull the crown to position 2 and now turn the crown clockwise and anti-clockwise to set your current time. Pay close attention to the small 12 or 24-hour dials to know if you are setting the time for the morning or for the afternoon. Press the upper right button one time and now turn the crown to set the date. Press the upper right button one time and now you can turn the crown to set the day of the week. Press the upper right button one time and now you will have to set the month and the year at the same time. To make it easier for you, I have made this table. Using the table, find the current month and year. For example, for February 2025, it is 11. Now rotate the second hand of the chronograph clockwise and anti-clockwise to face it to the 11 minutes mark. Once you are done, push back the crown to the 0 position to exit the settings. Here is how to reset and calibrate this watch. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.